Hello. I'd like to share with you an experience that I actually had last night about using the library chat feature to locate an article, something that you might be needing to do in order to conduct your research for your paper one. But first, we have to look at the new FHSU library look that was rolled out. You now access the library in a different way. On the top menu bar, you'll see Students. When you click there, you go to the library. Let me go back up. You'll see Students. You click there. You go to this site where you click, and then you're back to the library site that you're familiar with. Well, you click on the far right, you click Ask a Librarian, and up comes this name, drop down menu, student, email, you put in your question, start. At 6:31, I asked a question. At 6:37, sorry, that got cut off. I'm sorry, at 6:31:54, she answers it. I ask my question, she types in the answer. I found the article. Unfortunately, I disconnected before I could hit submit feedback. Well, I hope this helps you in the library chat feature.